Welcome to Downmead. We're in the beautiful Blackdown Hills on the edge of the village of Hemyock, and this stunning home built in the 1930s has so much to offer. Let's go inside and have a look around. So our clients have gone to extraordinary lengths to maintain the integrity of the 1930s architecture, but at the same time create a luxurious family home, and it really is exceptional. The main home has 6 bedrooms with bathrooms to match. We can accommodate an elderly relative or somebody with accessibility issues on the ground floor, and in the attic we have a suite suitable for any teenager to make as much noise as they like. In addition, there's a studio, a separate property that can accommodate relatives, or, as the current owners have used it, a highly successful, top-rated Airbnb. Welcome to Downmead Studio. You know what? You could be forgiven for thinking this is the main home. It has been done to such a high standard. Holiday let? I've not seen anything like this, but also if I'm a relative and I want to be in an annex, then this really takes some beating. Have a look around and see what you think. It's easy to forget the views. We are in a beautiful part of the Blackdown Hills in Devon. We've got about 0.6 of an acre of gardens with plenty of parking and a double garage. And then at the back of the properties is this stunning area designed for all year round use to maximise those amazing views and possibly enjoy a drink or two. Just need to get my glass.